This is the Delta Aura widespread bathroom faucet in matte black finish. It's just beautiful. This matte black finish is awesome. And you may have noticed that, yes, even though it is a widespread faucet, we mounted it in a narrow, compact setting. This is what we already had in our house, and we just wanted to upgrade our fixtures so that it was a little bit higher style than what we got from the builder. And so we weren't able to drill new holes. And yes, even with this set, you are able to use the existing holes for the narrow set faucet. So that's something that I really wondered about, and it worked out just fine. Another thing you might be wondering about is the finish. With the dark finishes, the black or the bronze, you might be thinking, are there going to be hard water stains all over? We have had this for about 5 years, and you can see there are just very minimal little tiny stains. We haven't really gotten in and cleaned that really, really closely. I'll give you a better view. So there's a little tiny bit of hard water stain, but it's really not bad at all. And from far away, it looks really, really good. Here it is operating. And we also paired it with a black drain. So we switched out our drain from chrome to black. And it just works great. I'm really, really happy with this faucet. It works great, it looks great, it's really durable, and it was also really, really easy to install.